Ever felt overwhelmed juggling multiple content tools? Simplified is here to change that. Imagine all your content needs in one place. No more switching between tabs, wasting time. With Simplified, you can create, publish, and grow your social media effortlessly. Generate a month's worth of scroll-stopping content in under 30 minutes. From social media posts to engaging videos, it's done in just a few clicks. You have all the creativity of AI on your side. Customize your brand kit with logos and colors. Instantly apply it to every piece of content. With AI Writer, draft blog posts in seconds. Choose your tone, generate outlines, and even explore deeper research without any writer's block. Need visual? Jump into AI Design for eye-catching social media templates that animate effortlessly. Your content gets professional polish in no time. What about videos? Use AI Video to convert scripts into visually stunning stories. Export multiple formats with a single click. Manage your social media with AI-powered scheduling. Predict optimal posting times and track engagement easily. Simplified's unique offering? You get a complete creative solution that positions your brand consistently. Join over 15 million happy creators transforming their workflow. They love it, and so will you. It's time to take action. Grab your forever free plan now, before unlimited brand kits vanish next quarter. Unlock your content creation potential today. Hit the link in the description, affiliatelist.shop/simplified. Smash like if you receive value from this video, subscribe for more tips, and share and comment Simplified, and tell me what tool you would like us to review next. With Simplified, your content calendar is ready. While you enjoy that latte, thanks for watching. Get your free tools inside. The checklist I'm giving you in this video is free, and the tools you can get paid to promote are also free to sign up for. Everything you need to get started is completely free.